Good morning. It is Saturday, 8 o'clock in the morning, and we are lit over here, as you can hear. I've been up since 6:30. The kids woke up a little later. I was hoping to sleep in. Once you get used to waking up early, ain't no turning back. But it feels good to see another day. Feels good to see another day. Bye-bye. Juju, I thought you said you was gonna make waffles. Can you reach the toaster? Salma. So let the day begin. We are about to make some breakfast, some waffles, scrambled eggs, some fruit. Girl, come here, my princesa. Good morning. What's that? Baby, she's learning how to talk. The words are just coming in. I love you so much. Wash hands. My daughter sucked these 2 fingers. It's just so much work trying to keep her hands clean so she doesn't get sick. Other hand. And mommy, other hand. Okay. Alright. Go check on Yaya. Deja eso, bebé. Deja eso. ¿Cómo que va? Dámelo. She stays grabbing my stuff and talking about bye. Girl, bye. Give me my stuff back. Bye, 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 bye. Look at this. It's a good face wash. All right. Let my face air dry before I put them in the products. I got a moco.